Good morning. We are in the middle of the rainforest once again at Triplet Falls, and they're flowing and it is beautiful. It's just a little bit wet underfoot and a bit iffy. I'm standing on a skinny ass log. Where are my feet? Oh, there. Couldn't see my feet on the camera then. Yeah, enjoy. Let's get some photos. So I watch a guy by the name of Paul Ferraz? How do you say your last name, Paul? He's a master of woodlands photography. So I'm trying to channel my inner Paul vibes here. We've got a green absolutely everywhere. So yeah, I can do the long exposure waterfalls fine, but hopefully you can get some good woodland shots too. The sun has come out though, so everything's patchy as, which is a little annoying, but it's gonna be what it's gonna be. It smells so good in this rainforest. I'm super keen. Let's just keep going. Let's just get into it. Just managed to cross the falls now and climb up them a little bit. Hopefully, I'm not overly confident. Everything is super slippery, but we'll just see how we go. It's so humid here too. I'm like dripping with sweat. It's disgusting. But as I wipe the sweat away, I'm excited to take a lot of awesome photos. I've just found a secret little waterfall. Look, just in here. So if I can get down there, shot up. Hopefully, I don't have a tripod on this side, so I'm shooting like a 1/5 of a second, maybe 1/4 of a second, and hoping that's enough. I so hope this has worked. It's going to be skinny. I'm going to turn it into a pano. My foot has sunk. So hopefully, I've been doing this, my version of the splits for bloody 5 minutes. Oh, this is so sketchy. And I've got nothing to grab on this side. Everything's wet. Number one rule of photography, you're going down, save the camera, hurt yourself. Saying that, I did that last time and I tore the ligaments in my ankle, so maybe not. I just realized I shouldn't just be like sprinting around up here, because leeches and other creepy crawlers and stuff, I didn't even think about it. Not one little thought, but oh well. I suppose if it's gonna happen, it's gonna happen. Oh my god, I hate bugs. I absolutely hate insects. So we're gonna crawl back down now, find the old man. I think we're gonna get to the very top of the falls, which is that way. So that's what we're gonna do now. I still a big money Brit. Why is it always easier going up and less like sketchy? Hey, whoa! I actually come to one waterfall one time and I was going over the falls. I had nothing stopping me. I just slipped, sat on my bum. I was sliding down the whole time. And it was a drop. It was like a 2-3 meter drop. And then I managed to catch myself like a meter from the edge. I've never been so scared in my life of an injury. And I was so grateful that I managed to catch myself. It did install a bit of fear in me. I didn't have, and probably a good thing too. Oh, I'm coming! I have to cross. I stood there and shoveled across. I'm gonna have to do it again. I think the old man's climbing up. I don't know. Time to find out. Doing the old bum scoot. That's a safe method, isn't it? Good way to get a dirty ass quick. I don't want to get my shoes wet. I say I don't want to get my shoes wet as I stand in puddles. God, absolute retard. I'm not a bright individual. I'm artistic. That's where my genius stops. But I've done it. I'm back. Gotta catch up to the old man. Ah! There he goes. Moving. Just past the girl at the bottom there. She didn't have shoes on. She was covered in mud. That's brave not having the shoes on though. Anyway. Look at this beautiful green tree. How awesome did that tree look? What drain cards, eh?
These would be wooden tracks.
Can't believe the chain still survived. I might get a photo of that. Chain buried in the moss. So, thanks for watching.